It is indeed a matter of great honor and pride for me to join you all at this landmark event, the inauguration ceremony of specialized vocational trainings, training of trainers, and the formal launch of the Practice for Skills International Digital Education Platform operations in Pakistan under the umbrella of the Prime Minister's Youth Program. Today's ceremony is not just an inauguration, it represents a major step forward in our collective mission to empower the youth of Pakistan with 21st century skills, global exposure, and sustainable employment opportunities. The milestone is a direct outcome of the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mia Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, and his historic recent visit in the end of August to People's Republic of China. During that visit, the National Vocational and Technical Training Commission signed 13 landmark agreements with leading Chinese institutes, agreements that have paved the way for a new era of skills development, digital cooperation, and integration of industry and academia partnership between our two brotherly nations. These initiatives are directly aligned with the Prime Minister's vision of Digital Pakistan, ensuring that our youth are equipped with specialized industry-driven skills that will enable them to compete not only in the local market but also on the global stage. Ladies and gentlemen, as chairman of the Prime Minister's Youth Program, I am deeply encouraged by the fact that these initiatives will directly benefit thousands of young Pakistanis, enabling them to gain modern technical and expertise and access to better job opportunities both at home and abroad. This collaboration reflects not only the ever-strengthening friendship between Pakistan and China, but also our shared belief in mutual development through education, innovation, and technology transfer. I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the continued commitment and partnership of ITMC China and Uni Services International, whose guiding principle, services for the youth and services for the future, perfectly resonates with the spirit of the Prime Minister's Youth Program. Together with NAVTEC and our Chinese partners, we are working to create an ecosystem where skills equal opportunity, where education leads to empowerment, and where our youth becomes the true architects of Pakistan's prosperous future. As we inaugurate this new chapter today, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our partners, stakeholders, and participants who have made this vision a reality. Let us continue to work hand in hand for our youth, for our nation, and for a brighter tomorrow. In the end, I would like to formally announce launching of the specialized vocational trainings, training of trainers, and the Practice for Skills International Digital Education Platform operations in Pakistan. Long live Pakistan, China friendship, Pakistan, China dosti, Zindabad.